Welcome to our comprehensive guide on marketing and generative AI. Today, we are going to explore how content creation is evolving at scale. We will look at how artificial intelligence is not just analyzing data anymore, but actively creating the materials that drive modern marketing campaigns. First, let's define what we mean by generative AI. Unlike traditional AI models that focus on analyzing existing data to make predictions, generative AI learns patterns to create something entirely new. This includes generating text for articles, creating original images, and even optimizing strategy. It is a creative engine, not just an analytical tool. One of the most immediate impacts is in copy generation. AI tools can now draft blog posts, create email marketing sequences, and generate social media captions in seconds. This allows marketing teams to maintain a consistent presence across all channels without burnout, ensuring that SEO content and daily posts are always ready to go. Moving beyond text, visual content creation has been revolutionized. Marketers can now generate unique imagery that perfectly matches their brand palette without needing expensive photo shoots. You can test concepts instantly, create endless variations for ads, and own your assets completely, bypassing the limitations and licensing issues of stock photography. Optimization is where scale truly happens. With generative AI, you can run A/B testing on a massive level. Instead of testing 2 headlines, you can test 20. You can analyze the performance of these variations and have the AI iterate on the content automatically, refining the message to maximize your return on investment. The primary benefit here is productivity. We are talking about a 10-fold increase in output. Teams can repurpose a single white paper into a dozen blog posts, 50 tweets, and 5 email newsletters instantly. It also allows for rapid expansion into new languages, breaking down global barriers. Perhaps the most powerful application is personalization. We can now move from broad demographics to one-to-one marketing. AI can tailor messages to an individual's specific context, buying history and preferences, changing the tone and content dynamically to be hyper-relevant to that specific user. However, the human element remains critical. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Humans provide the strategy, the emotional intelligence, and the creative oversight. Editors are needed to refine the output, ensuring it has the right nuance and connects emotionally with the audience in a way that raw AI generation sometimes misses. When implementing this, there are best practices to follow. Transparency is key. Be open with your audience. Fact-checking is mandatory, as AI can sometimes present incorrect information confidently. And finally, strict adherence to brand guidelines ensures that the speed of production does not dilute your brand's identity. To summarize, generative AI is a tool for massive scale, accelerating both copy and visual production while reducing costs. It enables true personalization, but requires human oversight to ensure quality and ethics. This is the future of marketing, blending human creativity with machine efficiency.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.